Hello guys, in this video I will evaluate Bitget exchange. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore. The platform offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies and tokens to trade through the spot or futures markets, with low transaction fees. Bitget has received regulatory licenses from the US, Canada, and Australia, making them a trusted exchange. Bitget is available for mobile or desktop and has a simple sign-up process. The platform offers free copy trading to its users with great offers for professional traders, allowing others to follow their strategies. If you are looking for an exchange that has a lot of small market coins or copy trading capabilities, Bitget might be for you. Okay, let's evaluate the Bitget floor, then the registration link I have is below the description and comments for you guys. Bitget overview. Copy trades for free for users with up to 8% commission for traders creating strategies. Large selection of small market cap tokens. Low fees on all aspects of the platform. 24 hours customer support. Advantages of Bitget. Low transaction fees. Copy trades for free. Supports more than 150 coins and tokens. Disadvantages of Bitget. Cryptocurrencies are just deposit and withdrawal methods. Missing a few major assets. Little known exchange. Best features of Bitget. Bitget offers several features worth considering if you are looking for a new cryptocurrency exchange. Low transaction fees. Bitget charges only 0.1% fee for all spot market transactions for both creators and recipients, which is in line with industry leader Binance. These fees can be reduced to 0.08% if the fees are paid with Bitget's BGB token. Copy transaction. Bitget allows users to copy the strategies of other traders on the platform for free. The user can follow any trader as long as the trader doesn't reach the maximum number of followers. This is based on their account equity, and starts to reflect the moves, and their portfolio is free. For traders, they can earn up to 8% profit from their followers, which keeps them motivated to come up with good strategies. Asset support. Bitget supports a wide variety of small market tokens that many other exchanges do not. This makes Bitget an attractive target for users looking to speculate on newer small market assets. Is Bitget safe? Yes, Bitget is safe. They have regulatory licenses for Canada, Australia and the United States. They secure user assets in separate hot and cold wallets. They have received 12 A+ ratings from SSL Labs according to their homepage. We ran the same SSL test for their site and got an A+ as well. The exchange has also never been hacked. Users need to enable two-factor authentication before they can deposit to the exchange. What are the Bitget fees like? Bitget has a fixed transaction fee of 0.1% for both creator and receiver trades on the spot market, which is very competitive. These fees can be reduced to 0.08% if transaction fees are paid in Bitget token, BGB. Bitget spot market fees match those of Binance. Futures trading incurs a 0.02% fee for the creator and a 0.06% fee for the receiver, with no discount. Bitget charges a reasonable withdrawal fee for cryptocurrencies even though there is a minimum withdrawal. Bitcoin withdrawals incur a fee of 0.0006 BTC, which is low compared to many other exchanges. ARC20 tokens have the highest withdrawal fees. There is no deposit fee for cryptocurrencies.